Despite not everyone being back in the office, a new study finds the region is facing a commuter surge that officials say can only be handled by building the proposed gateway tunnels under the Hudson. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer reports the study predicts tens of thousands of new commuters will pack an already overtaxed system.
It was just about a year ago that Senator Chuck Schumer took Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg on a tour of the dilapidated, storm-damaged tunnels under the Hudson to make the point that building new tunnels as part of the Gateway project needed to be fast-tracked.
Here you can see the condition of the concrete, which also has corrosion because of the water.
That was at the height of the pandemic when ridership was down and working remotely was the thing to do. But a new report by the Regional Plan Association says that despite the popularity of telecommuting, commuter demand is expected to surge by as much as 10% of pre-pandemic levels.
We have a window of opportunity, a once-in-generations opportunity. But really what we have to understand, and I'm not sure that the public really gets it, is that this window will close.
The study predicts that ridership will grow by 46,000 over the 400,000 riders making the Trans-Hudson crossing in 2019, and that Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday will be the busiest days. There will be people who commute for work.
As the economy recovers, a large proportion of new jobs will still require commuting to work 5 days a week. You know, there are medical professionals, there are restaurant workers.
And those who make non-work trips.
These are trips for school, medical appointments, shopping, family visits, and entertainment.
The $12 billion tunnel project still needs financial commitments. New York and New Jersey have agreed to foot half the bill, but the feds need to kick in $6 billion. And despite the dilapidated conditions of the existing 110-year-old current tunnels, officials are afraid that the so-called window of opportunity will close if Republicans prevail in the midterm elections.
The days of getting this done yesterday are over. Today is a crisis. This is a moment, and let's make it happen.
Officials say their biggest worry is that if there is a change of congressional power in Washington, the money for Gateway will go to other states. In the newsroom, I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.
And advocates say the Gateway project is critical to the nation's economy. It's the cornerstone of the Northeast Corridor, which accounts for 20% of the nation's GDP.